Ever pondered the existence of a clandestine formula to transform your most extravagant dreams into everyday occurrences? Are you intrigued by the mystical craft of manifestation and its potential to reshape your life? Well, you've arrived at the perfect destination. Welcome to our channel, where we demystify the secrets of the law of assumption, decipher the intricacies of the manifestation process, and investigate rituals and meditation as your personal keys to unlocking a realm of abundance. Fasten your seatbelts because we are about to embark on a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and the enchanting art of turning aspirations into tangible wonders. If you've ever questioned the feasibility of effortlessly manifesting your desires, hit that subscribe button, and let's delve into the transformative world of manifestation together. Prepare to challenge your perceptions and embrace the extraordinary. The essence of the law of assumption lies in recognizing the profound power of the human mind. This principle asserts that by mastering the art of directing thoughts and energy, individuals can enhance their manifesting capabilities to unprecedented levels. It's not an abstract concept, but a practical tool that can reshape one's life. The techniques associated with the law of assumption tap into fundamental aspects of human psychology and the universal energy enveloping us. By understanding that each person is a co-creator of their life, actively shaping their reality, the foundation emphasizes the importance of specificity in desires. Connecting with the deepest aspirations and trusting the process are key elements, establishing a belief that one can turn dreams into tangible reality. The law of assumption serves as a guide, empowering individuals to navigate the manifestation journey with clarity and purpose. Comprehending the manifestation process is crucial for unlocking the transformative potential of desires. It begins with the realization that individuals are not passive observers, but active co-creators of their reality. The world around reflects thoughts and beliefs, turning desires into tangible possibilities. Specificity becomes paramount as one connects with the deepest aspirations. This involves a deliberate and heartfelt inquiry into what is truly wanted. Detachment from outcomes is emphasized, encouraging trust in the wisdom of the universe. Fretting about when and how dreams will materialize can hinder the process. Gratitude plays a crucial role, acting as a powerful magnet for positive manifestations. Patience becomes a virtue as one acknowledges the universe's perfect timing. Present tense affirmations are employed, shifting the perspective from lack to a confident acknowledgement of being in the process of receiving. Ultimately, understanding the manifestation process is about recognizing the active role one plays in shaping their reality and embracing the journey with faith and mindfulness. Detachment and trust are integral aspects of the manifestation journey, guiding individuals to navigate the intricate web of desires and outcomes. Embracing detachment involves letting go of the obsessive need to control the when and how of manifestation. Trusting in the process and the universe's wisdom becomes paramount, signifying a deep belief that the universe knows what is best. Analogous to planting a seed, constant fretting about the progress of desires is akin to digging up the seed daily, impeding its natural growth. Detachment, therefore, is a practice of allowing the universe to work its magic without interference. Trust complements detachment, signifying confidence in the unseen forces at play. When one surrenders the timeline to the universe and embraces the mystery, the manifestation process unfolds in ways that often surpass expectations. Detachment and trust, intertwined, create a harmonious synergy, propelling individuals toward the fulfillment of their deepest desires. Gratitude serves as a potent magnet in the realm of manifestation, shaping a positive and receptive energy field. It is a foundational component, requiring individuals to express appreciation not only for what they have received, but also for what is on its way. When gratitude becomes a daily practice, it acts as a powerful attractor, drawing more blessings into one's life. This acknowledgement of the positive aspects shifts the energetic focus towards manifestations. Gratitude is akin to saying thank you to the universe, signaling readiness to receive more abundance. By concentrating on what is already present, individuals align themselves with the flow of positivity, creating a magnetic force that propels them closer to their desired outcomes. In the intricate dance of manifestation, gratitude stands as a guiding force, amplifying the vibrations that attract and materialize dreams into reality. Patience is a virtue essential in the intricate tapestry of manifestation, embodying the understanding that the universe operates on its unique timeline. It is the ability to trust the process, even when immediate results are not apparent. Manifestation requires a recognition of the universe's perfect timing, acknowledging that desires may not materialize instantly, but when the time is opportune. Like planting a seed that grows into a tree over time, patience involves nurturing dreams with unwavering faith. Impatience can disrupt the natural flow of the manifestation process. By embracing patience, individuals align themselves with the cyclical rhythm of the universe, understanding that there is a season for everything. This enduring trust in divine timing becomes a cornerstone, ensuring that manifestations unfold organically and with precision. Patience, therefore, becomes a steadfast companion on the journey of manifesting dreams, allowing individuals to witness the beauty of their aspirations coming to fruition. Present tense affirmations are a powerful tool in the manifestation toolkit, offering a transformative shift in perspective. Instead of pleading for desires from a place of lack, present tense affirmations involve confidently asserting that one is already in the process of receiving their aspirations. This subtle linguistic shift moves the focus from future wants to the current state of manifestation. By declaring positive statements in the present, individuals imprint these affirmations into their subconscious minds, reinforcing their commitment to the journey. Whether it's financial prosperity, inner peace, or success, speaking affirmations confidently acts as a catalyst in the manifestation process. This change in narrative aligns thoughts with the belief that the desired outcomes are not distant goals, but unfolding realities. Present tense affirmations, therefore, become a dynamic force, shaping the mindset and energizing the manifestation journey with a sense of immediate empowerment. Intuition, often referred to as an inner compass, emerges as a powerful guiding tool on the profound journey of manifestation. This innate sense serves as a direct connection with the universe, offering insights and subtle nudges towards the alignment of desires. Trusting intuition involves tuning into a secret language between the self and the universe, bypassing overthinking and doubt. It acts as a guiding light, helping individuals recognize opportunities and interpret signs that may otherwise go unnoticed. By paying attention to intuition, one becomes adept at deciphering the universe's messages and taking purposeful actions. This intuitive connection becomes particularly crucial in the intricate dance of manifestation, where the right choices and timing play pivotal roles. In embracing intuition as a guiding tool, individuals open themselves to a wealth of wisdom, navigating the manifestation journey with a heightened awareness of the unseen forces at play. A manifestation ritual serves as a focused and intentional practice to amplify the power of desires coming to fruition. Creating a dedicated space, whether a quiet corner or a serene outdoor spot, establishes a conducive environment for manifestation. The ritual typically involves visualization, where individuals close their eyes and vividly imagine their desires as already achieved. This mental imagery is complemented by writing present tense affirmations, reinforcing the commitment to the manifestation process. Lighting a candle symbolizes the energy and transformation inherent in the ritual. Reading affirmations aloud with conviction imprints the desires into the subconscious mind. Expressing gratitude for what is present and what is on its way further enhances the ritual's magnetic effect. Meditation during the candle's glow solidifies the connection with desires, and blowing out the candle symbolizes sending intentions into the universe. This structured manifestation ritual, when performed consistently, becomes a potent and personalized tool for aligning thoughts and energies with the realization of aspirations. Consistency and belief are the twin pillars that fortify the manifestation journey, transforming dreams into tangible reality. Consistency involves a steadfast commitment to the manifestation ritual, whether performed daily, weekly, or monthly. Regularity in practicing manifestation aligns thoughts, intentions, and energies over time, creating a harmonious and potent force. It is this consistent effort that propels individuals closer to the fulfillment of their desires. Belief, on the other hand, acts as the unwavering foundation upon which the entire process rests. Trusting in the manifestation process and in the universe's grand plan emits a powerful energy that accelerates the journey towards success. When doubts arise, belief serves as the compass, guiding individuals past obstacles and keeping them on course. The synergy between consistency and belief creates a dynamic momentum, an unstoppable force that turns aspirations into manifested realities. Through unwavering dedication and unshakable faith, individuals witness the transformative power of consistency and belief in shaping their destinies. Meditation emerges as a transformative practice, offering a pathway to personal freedom and profound self-discovery. It is not a complex ritual, but a simple act of sitting quietly, turning attention inward. In the tranquility of meditation, individuals break free from the mental chains that shackle them, unwrapping daily gifts of abundance. This practice provides a space for inner reflection, allowing clarity and connection with higher states of consciousness. Meditation is a tool that transcends the noise of the outside world and internal chatter, fostering a deeper understanding of the self and the universe. By regularly embracing meditation, individuals access a realm where intuition becomes a guiding force, and beliefs take on profound meanings. It is in this state of inner stillness that one can authentically connect with the boundless possibilities of the universe, experiencing personal freedom as a daily practice of unwrapping the gifts of abundance continuously offered by life. In the captivating journey of manifestation, we've explored the profound principles of the law of assumption, delved into the intricate nuances of the manifestation process, and harnessed the transformative power of rituals and meditation. Remember, you are not a passive observer, but a co-creator of your reality. Consistency, belief, and the subtle dance of patience are your allies. Gratitude and detachment serve as magnetic forces, attracting your deepest desires. Trust your intuition, for it is your guiding light. As we conclude this empowering exploration, recognize that manifestation is not just a process, it's a way of life. Embrace the daily rituals, trust the journey, and let meditation be your key to personal freedom. Keep manifesting, stay consistent, and believe in the infinite possibilities the universe has in store for you. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with our manifestation community. Your commitment to the process, fueled by consistency and belief, can truly reshape your reality. Until our next exploration, keep manifesting, and may your journey be filled with abundance, joy, and the realization of your deepest desires. Stay tuned for more transformative content. This